YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, we're going to go over my swing trading position. All right, we trade in United Health Group. Okay, so we are 21 minutes into the bell open. All right, as you can see, we're looking at the 5-minute chart. Took a dive as soon as the bell opened. We had some nice movement going on pre-market. I got happy. I thought it was going to stay around here and then push up when the bell opened, but that didn't happen. It pushed down instead. But nevertheless, from the bottom of 423, starting to push up, and we got a new high of 432. All right, 5-minute chart looking nice. I like to look at the 15-minute chart. Gives me a better picture. We might be getting like a nice little push coming here because we got the crossover happening at the MACD 15. I like to see that because it's like around about the next 15 minutes gonna be pushing for us. And I'm hoping it pushes enough where it can pass this and that can become a support. And then we'll have trouble going down past that. I hope that's what happens. And they just keep going up from there and keep making new supports. All right, that'd be nice. In the perfect world. All right. But so far, still a waiting game. I definitely want to get way more. Hopefully we could get up to like 5% today. Like everything else that pushed yesterday. Yesterday, everything was pushing. I don't know why this one didn't push, but let's see where we at as far as profit wise. Yeah, these are little tiny itty baby. I need that percentage to go to like 5. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. This position moves kind of slow. I noticed that. I didn't know before getting in. Maybe I wouldn't have got in. The higher the volume, the more fast the position move. So now it's going to be a little bit of a waiting game. More. That's okay. Swing trading can go longer than one day. It can go longer than a couple days. It can go longer than a week. It can go longer than 2 weeks. Just a waiting game. Come on, baby. This is the part that gets annoying to me when it doesn't work how you want it to work. Like, you know, it's working, but not fast enough. But that's a part of the game. Volume is picking up little by little. Little by little, volume is picking up. It doesn't pick up fast, so gotta wait. Just keep on pushing, baby. We got the 5-minute crossing over the 200. About to cross over the 50 moving average. Those are good signs. Anything crossing over anything is good, going up. Let's go. Is he going to break the last high? Come on. Every time it breaks the last high, it makes a new support. Push, come on. Push. Almost. All right, new high. 43.05. 433.05 is a new high. Oh, new high. See, every time I make a new high, it's a good sign, okay? New highs mean new support levels. Let's go. Let's go closer, 2 minutes. We got that 5-minute pushing. It looked like we got a little curvage going on with the 50 crossing. Now, if that 50 cross, that 200, we're going to get a nice push today. Let's go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Get that volume up. Volume jumping up. New high. Let's go. So one thing I like to focus, all right? I like to look at my moving averages. Okay. You see the color coordination, what I got? 200 moving average, 50 moving average, 5 moving average. These represent minutes, okay? So, of course, the 5-minute is going to be more closest time, you know? And this is like over time, average. If you want to learn more about it, I'll make a separate video about moving averages. Moving averages tell you a nice story. And on this 2-minute chart, we got a nice story going on. Back to the 5. Same thing, getting a crossover with the 5. We got a new high. 434. Let's go. Come on. The higher our new high get, the safer we are. All right, let's go. Got $3. That's some change. I'm thinking this is gonna push nice today. I'm gonna probably jump out sometime before lunch. If not lunch, a little after. The reason why that is, I want you to think of an office, regular 9 to 5. What happens at 11:30? All right. When trading, you know, there's a lot of people trading, okay? And they treat this like their job. So when this time comes, the volume drops, all right? And it doesn't start to pick up to around this time, just like in the regular work world. I'm right in military time, okay? So 11, I mixed it because I would have put this, you know, but whatever. So 11, yeah, I know, lunch gonna start, and the volume drops, and people start coming back from lunch around this time, all right? Okay, come on. We gotta get a new high. We just gotta keep getting new highs. The more new highs we get, the safer we are. Let's go, keep pushing, baby. Let's go. I need 5. I want 5% right here. At 5%, I'm jumping out. This is the part that sucks. All right. 35.60. We need some more new high. We need some new high. Let's go. 35.60. $10. I think my last trade, I got like $4 and some change, I think. Stick to my rules. I look for 2 to 5% micro profits and repeat. Anything else is a plus. And for me, it gets riskier because sometimes I try to get too greedy, try to get 10% of something, then it wind up dropping all the way down on me. So I'm just going to try this new method where I just take micro profits over and over. Can we get a new high? We got 15-minute chart. That 5-minute kind of pushing up a little bit. The one thing that's a little concerning to me when I look at this is the 200 is kind of slanted a little bit. Okay, so that means it's going to kind of be going down somewhat. All right. And once the price point gets too far from the 200, it'll start pulling it down. So the 5-minute is starting to go up. The 50 is slightly going up. So those are my worries right there. As I look at we need a new high. Just got to keep going higher. We need new highs. So minute. All right. So now when you look at the 2-minute, you see different with the moving average. Okay, different story. 50 is about to cross over the 200. Look like the 5 broke through both of them, which is great. But then see how it looks on the 5-minute. Whole different story. Similar a little bit. But now it seems like the volume just like big. We need more volume. Positions like this, I think it don't really get that much volume because of this. Who really has that much to be bought? Like, a whole bunch of shares. You're very limited. But the way I trade, I don't think a lot of people trade that way. I don't pay no mind to this. It means nothing to me. I put what I put, and I'm looking for percentage moves. This is what I look for, with a number in front of it. Let's go, baby. I'm about to break the 2-minute. Ooh, 2%. We broke the 2% for today. 2%. Can we get to 3%? Can we get to 3? Can we do it? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we from pre-market hours plus the overnight, we passed got a new high going on. Let's go. $36.15. We just need some more volume in here. Very slow moving position. All right, let's go. Where we at? All right, like that. Come on, push that up. I can sell right now and get a nice little profit. Put one more. Still early in the day. About to get a little red bar going on. Let's get that over with. You can get back into the green bars. This is the part I don't miss. Pretty sure there's ways that I ain't gotta still be trading. But yeah. Next couple days coming up here, I'm gonna be adding to this account so I can be having a bigger trader volume. We need some new levels set up here. We need some new levels. 2-minute chart. Doji. Come on, let's go. We need some more volume up in here, man. All right. So we had a low of 423 to 436. It's $13 movement. I wish there was a way I can see what was the open and close yesterday. I don't know how to do that. Maybe I gotta zoom in a lot. Let me see. Let's see here. There we go. 22nd. All right. So yesterday's high, open, close, 424, 427, 431.50. All right. So we broke yesterday's high. We got a new low. All right. So that's good. Okay, Charlie. Come on. Gonna have a couple of cycles of green, red, green. Green, red, green, green, red, red, green. 36.41. New high. Come on, new high. We just keep needing new highs. The higher this number go, the better, of course, but little resistance. Same as yesterday, the last couple days, the down part been very low. So like what I mean by that, if it goes to like 3%, I think it's gonna struggle to stay in between 2 or 3 or like 233 or something like that. Like that's what I mean. No can do. I don't know who's that. But let me turn it down quick, please. Oh. I'm doing a video. Sorry about that. I had to turn the volume down. All right, so I don't think I'm not gonna keep recording this because this position moves so slow. All right, we could be here another hour before I sell. So right before I sell, I'm just gonna record again. Okay. It's gonna start coming down soon. On 70. We need some more volume in here, baby. Come on. I had way more volume yesterday. Volume dies down very fast on this position. This what kind of hurt in the morning. I didn't expect this to happen. As soon as that bell opened, bam. I thought it was going to do the opposite. But that may happen tomorrow. It did the same thing yesterday, bell opened. Had a drop. Let me see the one before that. Yeah, same thing. This thing drops when the bell opens, I see. So like I was saying, the price might slow down, but the 200 is starting to go down. Although the 50 is kind of slanted a little bit up, 5 is pushing, but that's not too good. If this day closes out, I may even hold this position one more day because it may close out with me still in green. Go through what it go through night after hours and night and push them all. But I may sell just to get out of it. I don't like the stress part. Dun, 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 dun. $427 was my last buy. See, everything is pushing nice. All my positions are pushing nice. All right, I'm about to end this video until I'm gonna pick it up and push them all because this thing is moving very slow. just stand by for the next video. Until later.